Ever wondered what's the difference between cloud and virtualization that tech enthusiasts always talk about? Imagine a world where data storage is as wide as the sky and as flexible as a rubber band. That's the magic of cloud and virtualization. These aren't just tech buzzwords, they're transforming our digital landscape, influencing how we work, play, and connect. Curious to know more? Stay tuned to uncover the distinct and yet interconnected world of cloud and virtualization. To begin with, let's delve into the concept of cloud computing. Cloud computing, at its core, is the ability to rent a slice of a company's computing power and storage, which is located somewhere else in the world, instead of owning and maintaining the physical hardware yourself. It's like having your computer somewhere else, yet being able to access it anytime, from anywhere. But why is it so significant? Well, it's the backbone of the digital age. It allows for instant scalability, flexibility, and accessibility while eliminating the need for costly hardware, software, and associated maintenance costs. It's like having your own personal genie, granting unlimited tech wishes at the snap of your fingers. So how does it work? Cloud computing encompasses three primary types of services: SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Software as a service, or SaaS, is essentially software that is delivered over the internet. Instead of buying a software package, installing it, and maintaining it on your computer, you can simply access it via the web. Think Google Docs or Spotify. They're great examples of SaaS. Platform as a service, or PaaS, is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud. It's for those who are into building apps and software. You get the resources you need to create and test applications without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, is like renting a computer. You get the hardware, storage, networking capabilities, and the operating system. You manage the applications, data, and middleware, while the cloud service provider takes care of everything else. Businesses and individuals use these services in numerous ways. SaaS is used for things like email, customer relationship management, and team collaboration tools. PaaS is used to speed up development time on cloud-based applications, and IaaS is used for automated administrative tasks, dynamic scaling, and platform virtualization. So, that's the cloud for you, a powerful tool changing the face of technology. Now let's switch gears and explore the realm of virtualization. Virtualization, in the simplest terms, is the process of creating a virtual version of something, such as a hardware platform, operating system, a storage device, or network resources. It's like creating a computer within a computer, or a network within a network. This concept is central to cloud computing because it allows us to maximize the utilization of resources. The first type of virtualization we'll explore is server virtualization. This is all about partitioning a single physical server into multiple virtual servers, each running its own operating system and applications. This approach allows for better resource allocation and isolation of server resources. Next, we delve into network virtualization. This divides the available bandwidth into independent channels, each of which can be assigned to servers and devices in real time. It's like having multiple parallel highways instead of a single, congested one. The result? More efficient traffic management and improved overall network performance. Then there's storage virtualization. This is where we pool physical storage from multiple network storage devices so that they appear as one storage device. This makes for easier backup, archiving, and recovery processes because it can be done from a central point. But how does virtualization actually work? Well, it's all thanks to special software called a hypervisor. The hypervisor sits on top of the physical hardware and allows multiple operating systems to share the same hardware resources. It's like a school principal, allocating classrooms and resources to different teachers and their students. And the benefits? They're vast. From reduced hardware costs and increased energy savings to improved disaster recovery and efficient system administration. Virtualization allows businesses to do more with less, and in today's fast-paced, resource-conscious world, that's a significant advantage. This wraps up our quick tour of virtualization, a cornerstone of modern IT infrastructure. Having understood both concepts, it's time to pit cloud and virtualization against each other. Now, let's not consider this as a face-off, but rather a friendly comparison, showcasing the unique strengths of each and how they complement each other. First off, cost. Virtualization can be seen as a one-time investment where you set up your infrastructure and then maintain it. Cloud, on the other hand, works on a pay-as-you-go model, which can be more cost-effective for businesses with fluctuating needs. Next, scalability. With cloud, you can scale up or down based on your requirements almost instantly. Virtualization, while offering scalability, may not provide the same level of responsiveness. Now, let's talk about accessibility. Cloud computing shines here with the ability to access your data and applications from anywhere, at any time. Virtualization, while it does offer remote access, still depends on the physical infrastructure, limiting its accessibility to some extent. Nonetheless, it's important to remember that these two technologies are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they often work hand in hand. Virtualization lays the groundwork, partitioning physical servers into several virtual ones, while cloud computing takes it a notch higher, providing the mechanisms to deliver these virtualized resources over the internet. As we can see, cloud and virtualization, while different, form a dynamic duo in the tech world. So, what have we learned today about cloud and virtualization? We've peeled back the layers of cloud computing, revealing its potential to store, manage, and process data on a network of servers hosted on the internet. It's more than just a tech buzzword. It's a revolutionary tool that's reshaping the way we interact with digital technology, driving efficiency and scalability in businesses worldwide. Then, we delved into the realm of virtualization, a concept that allows for the creation of a virtual version of something like a server or a network. It's the magic behind the curtain that makes cloud computing possible, providing flexibility and maximizing hardware utilization. We've seen how these two concepts are intertwined, each playing a pivotal role in today's digital landscape. The synergy between them is what makes our digital age so dynamic and exciting. With that, we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of cloud and virtualization. Until next time, keep exploring.